Formula One aerodynamics are set to get simpler in 2019 with one simple purpose in mind: to promote closer racing and more overtaking. The key change is a move to a simplified front wing with standardized end plates, wider dimensions, and no upper flaps. This will encourage aerodynamicists to direct more of the flow to the underbody, where it is less sensitive to the disturbed wake of the car in front than the outer body. The deletion of the upper flaps at the outboard ends of the wing will make it impossible to create the vortices that are created by the current highly complex end plates. This will force the teams into a different aero philosophy that should make it easier for drivers to follow the car ahead closely. Limiting the teams to 2 underwing straights on each side should further help in this respect. Another area of the car that will see changes in 2019 is the brake ducts. Winglets mounted on the brake ducts currently play a part in directing airflow to the outer part of the car. These are banned as from 2019, as are blown axles, which currently use air directed out of the center of the wheel to energize the flow down the outer surfaces of the bodywork further back. Barge boards will be lowered by 150mm to make them less powerful in directing the airflow, whilst also being moved forwards by 100mm to make them less sensitive to the airflow being disturbed from the car in front. The rear wing end plates, meanwhile, will also be simplified, with teams no longer permitted to use horizontal gills. These equalize the pressure between the inner and outer faces of the end plate to give a faster flow over the top of the wing for more downforce. But they introduce an extra disturbance to the wake, which worsens the performance of the car behind. The DRS opening, meanwhile, will be increased from 65mm to 85mm. Together with an increase in width and height of the wing, this will make the DRS around 25 to 30% more powerful, so as to allow it to be effective on those circuits with too short a straight for the current system. With the rear wing set to get both taller and wider, Formula One cars are set to look quite different from the current models in 2019.